In this video, we will show you how to use Vlookup in Google Spreadsheet. Sometimes, Vlookup is very useful to process our data. For example, here, we have the data until 25 and we want to print one by one rather than using manually design one by one until 25 client. We can just doing something look like this using Vlookup. Okay, so how to do that? First, in here, we will create new spreadsheet. Okay. And for example, here, we have the data master. I already got some data here. So I can just copy paste this data to make this faster. Okay. And I will delete the last name. Okay. Then this is give the name. It's better to using VLOOKUP. You can put the index. Okay. If your data is very long and very much, it's better using index look like this, and you will easy when you find the index later. Okay, I will make this data into center and using border. Okay, and I will block this for the primary, and this is for the index. I will make the different color look like this. So in here, this is for the index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, and index 5. You know, this is not start from 0, but the index start from 1. And this is for search. Okay, so if we search in data 1, it will appear the Julie, and also for the next. Okay, the number second, we can just exit and make some format. For example, we will using very simple format, and just make sure this is in merge cell. And for example, we have data client like this for IP address. Okay, I will make the center and make this bold, and this is for the name, and this is okay. We will see email. We will skip the gender and just go to IP address here. Okay, you can see we will make this bold. And to start using VLOOKUP, it's very easy. If you type VLOOKUP look like this, okay, in Google Spreadsheets, we'll include the tips how you can use the VLOOKUP. This is search key that I say before. The search key is some things what you put here, and we can place one. Okay, just place one here, and the range is the column. Okay, the range is the column here. When you block this, okay, and this is the range. Okay, and this is the basic. And if you put the index, for example index 2, the result will look like this. But in here, maybe you are confused to using the range to look like this, and I have a better idea. We will delete this. Okay, we have the better idea. We can just block all of this. Okay, just block all of this column and change the name to all your data to my data, for example like this. So the column that you are blocked in here, make or change the name into the my data. So we can just put the VLOOKUP, and for search key it's still 1, and the range just type my data. Okay, for the index it is 2. Okay, and this is the basic. it is the same the result. But how make this dynamic? When we need the dynamic data, we can just change the one in here into the sum cell that we will put the data. For example, here, this is number. I will put number here. Okay. So we will get into the number of the client. And this is 1. So the number based on the cell. Okay. We need to change the 1, okay, for the search key into the dynamic here. Okay. Okay. Looks the same. And we can copy this. Okay. We can find the email. Okay. The email is in index 3. Okay, you can see here. The email is in index 3. And the IP address is in index 5, so we skip the index 4. Okay, you can see here, we will paste again, and the index is 5. So when you pressing here, okay, you can see it will change automatically your data client here. So you can print rather than use the design and copy paste. You can just change the value using Vlookup. And in the next video, maybe we will continue how we can make this not manually, okay, not manually input like this. We can just click some button and make here is +1. So we can click here to next, click here to back, look like that. And that's all how to use VLOOKUP on the Google Spreadsheets. Okay, thanks for watching.